So now let's understand some of the remedies for the dental issues. Okay. So let's understand what are the dental issues generally people used to face. Why dental issues get spreads. So most of the times nowadays, the modern, this especially the part of home remedies, we are studying about dental issues today. Now, many of the people nowadays, they use toothpaste and brush. This is the common thing, so which has become a modern practice. Our olden days, we used to use charcoal powder or otherwise dantamanjan, which is made in the house with the help of the desi cow dung cake. All this is we used to do. So now what happened? We forgot everything in the busy world and fast world. What happened? So everything is busy. Everything is So it has to be fast enough. It should be readily available. Not need not to. We should not spend any time. So likewise, we became like we also became like a machines. But in fact, we are not the machines. So right, we are creative intelligence, creative beings. Okay. So what happened is because of using more of toothpaste having especially lot of sugar component in that. Sugar component is a lot of chemicals are there. So for the getting foam and all, they use a lot of chemicals also. No way it is going to help to you, my dear friends. In fact, so what is the purpose of any paste or any whatever you do? Whatever the bad germs are there, it must be killed. The bad germs formed inside the mouth, it must be killed. But when you put this, this toothpaste, what happens? Even the children, they swallow that. Once they swallow, all that sugar will go inside their, stomach. So nowadays, you observe one more thing, friends. All the children in the olden days, even 5 children, 7 children in the house, one mother is to manage. Now, one mother not able to manage not even one children. That is the kind of situation we are living in right now. Why it happened like that? You won't eat properly, you won't drink properly, you won't piss properly. Everything is a problem. What are the reasons for that? The reasons are we are giving all the injections like BCG injection, this injection, that vaccination, this vaccination, 25, 26 vaccinations by the age of 10 years. You know what happens when you give the vaccination? So many vaccinations. All his appetite will die. All his natural instincts will die. Then what is the question of where is the question of appetite, my dear friends? You keep feeding it. You try to forcefully keep feeding it. This how what happened is the modern technology or the modern science, modern medical science, or so-called like in a foreign countries have earlier they have invaded physically. Now they are invading through technology also, my dear friends. Through our technology, through our emotions, they are invading us in a different manner. But overall, the effect is same. Overall, the effect or impact is negative. How it is happening? So by giving all these injections, they are making the entire human beings, even in India, everybody, their immunity is down. Their immunity is low, very less. All the children nowadays, they suffer with a lot of, infections, inflammatory infections. Why so many inflammatory infections are coming for the children nowadays? The reason is their immunity power is so down, so less. Why it is so less? By giving a lot of vaccination right from the 2-3 months till the age of 10. So all these injections, what they do is once they're all chemicals, they're loaded with the chemicals. When they go inside to the physical body, so what happens is all the natural appetite will die and immunity will die. So then they will be, more prone to the diseases and as well. So they won't eat anything. They don't like to eat at all. You'll be forcing and feeding. That's why one children you are not able to manage. Otherwise, earlier days, one mother is to manage 5 to 7 children in the house. So that was those days there were no this kind of chemicals, no vaccination, no injections. Everything was normal feeding. Okay, so that's all, friends. So anyway, so that's another subject. Let's discuss later some other time. So this now let's see how. See this tooth is especially is a job minister within our body, physical body. Why it's a job minister? It always does the job of so crunching whatever you put into mouth, it will be crunching, right? So that's why it's called job minister. So this toothpaste. So as usual, so what kind of toothpaste we can use? So let's say there are some home remedies I have given here. Let's go through one by one. So that is why. So what kind of toothpaste must be used in order to protect your tooth and which way you have to utilize that all these home ingredients in order to clean your mouth or clean your teeth and keep it safe and long duration, longevity, everything we will try to discuss in the form of home remedies. So first one is, if the tooth is loose, the peel of pomegranate should be boiled in water and decoction should be taken every day, at least for 1 month time. For example, some of the people tooth will lose. They may go out anytime like that. They will feeling. So what we do is, the peel of the pomegranate is there, right? On the top of the peel is there, that layer. So take that layer, put the 4 5 pieces, put into the water. So you have to boil it. Then after some time, filter it and drink that. Every day, one time, for 1 month you take it. So that your any tooth which is loose, which will be hardened. Hardened means it will stick there. It will not come out. Now, second, for toothpaste. So especially as a toothache, if you get a toothache, what you should do? Add shunti powder or sandalwood powder. So wherever the pain is there in that particular location, put this shunti powder or sandalwood powder, or mix them and put it here in the painful area. Hold it for 10 minutes, it will go. Your tooth pain will go. You don't need to go to any doctor also, dental doctor. So nowadays, everywhere the dental hospitals came, my dear friends. So if you see that itself, you can understand the indication is many dental issues are coming, and somewhere we are gone wrong. Otherwise, why do you need so many dental doctors? For all the animals, where are the dental doctors? Why only for man these many dental doctors? Right? That means somewhere we have gone wrong. That's the same thing we are correcting today. Okay. So let's go through this. So applying garlic and Saindava salt to the teeth for a severe toothache. If you have severe toothache, you must apply garlic and Saindava salt together. Just apply there. Okay. Severe toothache. It will go away. Now eat 6 basil leaves, the tulsi leaves, and brush your tooth to keep your mouth, your teeth clean. Okay. You can do this. Brush your teeth with lemon juice to make your teeth clean. Is also there. With the lemon juice also you can brush. Brush your teeth with a sesame oil to make your teeth stronger. Is also one of the thing. 7th one, brush your tooth with Saindava salt and turmeric. That's also sometimes you can do. So any of the methods you can use, friends. So brush your tooth with Saindava lavana, turmeric, if your tooth is bleeding. So as I said in the 7th point, same thing here, 8th one. But whenever your teeth, some people teeth will be bleeding, right? So that time, Saindava lavana with turmeric, if you brush it, then that will be stopped. 9th one, use plant sticks for brushing teeth. What are those? Banyan, arali, mango, neem, uttarani. All this can be used for brushing tooth instead of the toothbrush. Okay, it's also very good. Now, so instead of buying any whitening toothpaste available in the market, what you can do is you can prepare this powder. It's called Danta Manjan. You can prepare the tooth powder at your home. What are the ingredients? 1 kg of burnt ash of cow's dung cake. Cow's dung cake, a dried cow dung cake, if it is burnt, even in the Agnihotra, other side, the other ways also, it produces the ash, that bodhi. Ash will come. So that is 1 kg, 150 grams of Saindava salt, under 10 grams of Ajwana orca, 10 grams of green camphor. All this can be mixed together, so which can be make a powder, nice powder. So then that will be stored in the separate box. You can use it as a Kamadhenu Dantamanjan. Okay, so which is very, very useful, my dear friends. So these are some of the important home remedies. Please follow for your dental related issues. Then definitely you will come out of any kind of a dental issue. Easily you can come out. You can treat yourself at the home. If not, if it is a more excessive, severe pain, not able to bear all these things, then only visit the doctor. Otherwise, so now and then, unnecessary for small issues, never ever go to the doctor. So you will not get the longevity of the your teeth till the last breath. This tooth can be there. There's no issue. It will be there. But only thing is, because of our not all the wrong practices, the tooth is going very fast, my dear friends. Okay, our food style, lifestyle, whatever we are doing, so they're all in the wrong practices we are doing. That's why all these, the consequences are happening. Okay, so thank you, friends. Thank you for patiently listening all this spiritual wisdom, holistic lifestyle, home remedies. So the home remedies for mental health, all this we discussed today. So thank you once again, all of you, to participate in the session, and subscribe Mahavatar TV and subscribe and share with others. So once again, from Mahavatar Foundation, we express sincere thanks to all of you. Namaste.